Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. And yeah, so if you're a new subscriber, my name is Alima and you're welcome to my channel. And if you're just viewing this video, hello. So today I want to tell you guys a story. Yeah, basically it's a story time. So I'm going to be telling you guys how I fell in a well when I was small, as you can see from the title down below. Yes, so let's get into the video. Before we move to the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below if you enjoyed it. And it happened when I was in GSS. Yeah, I was in junior secondary school. So that particular day at home, they sent me and my cousin to go and grind pepper. So she had her own bucket of pepper, I had my bucket of pepper. I think one was supposed to be, I don't know how to say kuno in English, but one was supposed to be, all these not fully grounded, yes, pepper, and the other one. So we went to grind pepper, went to this Baba's place. So we when we got to the Baba's compound, he wasn't outside, so we dropped our pepper and we said, let's go and call him inside, right? And mind you, I've not said this, when I was younger, I used to do like a guy. I don't know, I think I liked being a guy when I was small. So I was all this stubborn, and that was who I was when I was younger. I was this I too know, I'm a guy, this kind of thing. That was what I was doing. So that particular day, we got to the Baba's place and we entered his house to go and call him. The Baba said, okay, it's coming and all. Then me, my own I too know again, my I too know body, Alima boy. I now told my cousin that let's see the first person to get back to the place we kept our pepper. That was inside the compound. Let's get first person to get to that place. I'll first you. I'll first you. My cousin, she's this kind of gentle girl. She does not like all this rough. But me, I was a guy then. Let me put it that way. I was a guy then. So and I said, let's do first to get there. It's because you cannot be the first to get there. That's why I was doing all the, I wanted to convince her to let's do first to get there. So she now said, okay, when we're now going out, but me, my busybody body, I don't know if it makes sense, but we move. My body was not staying in one place. I wanted to be the first, I too know Alima. That was how everybody, my cousin was passing normal road. Everybody would pass normal road to go to be the first, right? But me, I said no, I'm going to jump on top of, oh Lord. That's how I saw there was a particular place that they put bako, all this wood together around. That place was plenty of wood were there. So, and the way they arranged it, if I climb and I jump, I shall know that I was going to get outside fast, so I'll just run to the place we kept our pepper. That's how me mumu Alima mumu. I think from that day I started having sense. Before I didn't have sense. Maybe I had a little bit of sense, but I wasn't using my sense before that time very well. But after that time I started using my senses because I could have died, So she agreed and I climbed those sparkle, all those sparkle that they arranged together here. Oh Lord, I couldn't even remember what happened. I just know that I met myself inside well. I landed inside well. I fell inside the well. Thank God the well was not that deep. So, and that God of mercy, that well was very dirty. Oh Lord, it was very dirty. I drank rubbish in the dirty water. Oh my God, I drank rubbish. I shall know that I swallowed water. I swallowed dirty water. Oh my God. But I thank God I'm alive. So I fell inside the well. Then there was one place that I think they were dropping all these dirt inside. So there was a place I could when I fell, I think there was a place I fell on top, so I could not continue going down. If not, my enemy would have died. Yeah. So I landed on that place. I landed on that place. Then I started shouting, "Oh, help me, help me, Kiniko is biting me," this and that. I started crying. Oh, me mumu. I thought I was the boys don't cry, but no. I think that was when my girl sense came to me, that I was asking myself why I did that kind of play in my life. So they helped me. They kept one long ladder inside the well, so they held it from the top, so I was now climbing it. I was very angry. I was very angry when I came outside. For someone that could have died, I was angry. Can you imagine? And I was very, very angry with my cousin. I don't know why. Maybe because she wasn't the one that fell inside the well, and I was the one that fell inside the well, or because she got to the place that I wanted to do first. She got there before me, or I don't know. I just know that I was very angry with her. So they grinded our pepper. I was very wet. They grinded our pepper, and we left for home. So when we got home, they were like, "What happened?" They even thought that maybe I already did another rubbish play again. I said no, I was very angry, so I was just talking somehow. I said I fell inside well and this and that. Then I said and that's why I drank water. I was crying, that's when I started crying again. My girl came back to me, my girl sense again. So I gave me palm oil. Yeah, palm oil. Yoruba people now. They gave me palm oil that I should drink it. It's going to clean my body. I could not eat that day. Throughout that day, I could not eat anything because I was scared. So I could not eat that day. I was scared. I ate the next day. God, it wasn't really funny that day. But now that I'm thinking about it, it's just like funny. So I fell inside well. Me like this, I'm falling inside well. Like I'm falling inside well. It's not a funny experience, but at least I have something that very deep that I can laugh about. If I look back, I can just laugh about it. Yeah, so guys, this is the end of my story time. If you enjoyed it, let me know, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment down below, and so I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.